Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys doing well. And today we will learn something new in our session. So let's start with the numbers. So here you go. So let me open the notepad first. Okay. All right. So the very all right. So the very first is 11. 11 means ag yar. Ag yar. Okay. Now for 12 means bar. For 13 ter. For 14 chowda. For 14 chowda. Okay. Chaud like that. Okay. Then for 15 pandar. Okay. Let me do again. 11 means ag yar. 12 means bar. 13 means ter. 14 means chaud. 15 means pandar. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. 16. 16 means so la. 16 means so la. Then 17. 17 means sattar. 17 means sattar. 17 means sattar. Okay. Now 19 means og nis. Og nis. Og nis. Okay. 20 means vis. 20 means vis. Okay. Now let's go with speedy. 30 means trees. 30 means trees. 40 means chalis. 50 means pachas. Okay. 60 means sa 60 means sa 70 sit 70 means sit 80 means a c. 80 means a c. 90 means ne vu. And 100 means so. Okay, I am repeating again. 30 means 3 sa. 40 means cha li sa. 50 means pa cha sa. 60 means sa 70 means sit 80 means a c. 90 means ne vu. And 100 means so. Okay. Okay. Now let's learn some body parts. So here you go. So for head, ma thu. For head, ma thu. Okay. For face, cha he ro. For face, che he ro. For eye, kh. Okay. For head, ma thu. For face, che he ro. For eye, kh. Okay, guys. I hope you understanding the pronunciation. Like how do we call head in Gujarati is ma thu. For face, chehro. For eye, aankh. Okay. For head, mathu. For face, chehro. For eye, aankh. Okay. For ear, કાન. For nose, નાક. For mouth, મોં. Okay. For ear, કાન. For nose, નાક. For mouth, મોં. Okay. For teeth, દાંત. For teeth, દાંત. For tongue, જીભ. For tongue, જીભ. For throat, ગળું. For throat, ગળું. Okay. For elbow, કોણી. For elbow, કોણી. For shoulder, ખભો. For shoulder, ખભો. For chest, છાતી. For chest, છાતી. Okay. For hand, હાથ. For foot, પગ. For knee, ઘૂંટણ. Okay. For hand, હાથ. For foot, પગ. For knee, ઘૂંટણ. Okay. Stomach means પેટ. Stomach means પેટ. Back means પીઠ. Back means પીઠ. And heart means હૃદય. Heart means હૃદય. હૃદય. Okay. Lungs means ફેફસા. Lungs means ફેફસા. Brain means મગજ. Brain means મગજ. Skin means ત્વચા or ચામડી. Okay. Skin means ત્વચા or ચામડી. Okay. Then finger, આંગળી. Finger means આંગળી. આંગળી. Okay. Toe means પંજો. Toe means પંજો. Wrist means કાંડું. Wrist means કાંડું. Okay. I think for toe here is, I think it's not perfect. For toe I think અંગૂઠો. Okay. Toe means અંગૂઠો. Toe means અંગૂઠો. Okay. Toe means અંગૂઠો. So this is the right word for toe. Toe means અંગૂઠો. Okay. Sorry for my mistake. Ankle means ઘૂંટી. Ankle means ઘૂંટી. Palm. Palm means હથેળી. હથેળી. Okay. Sole means તળિયું. તળિયું. Rib. Rib means પાસળી. પાસળી. Muscle. Muscle means સ્નાયુ. સ્નાયુ. Veins means નસ. Okay. For rib, પાસળી. For muscle, સ્નાયુ. And for vein, નસ. Okay. Artery means ધમની. And bone means હાડકા. Artery means ધમની. Bone means હાડકા. Hair. Hair means વાળ. Okay. Hair means વાળ. Nail. Nail means નખ. Nail means નખ. Okay. So this is how you can call different body parts in Gujarati. So this is very simple. You can try all the words and let me know, can you pronounce that words properly in Gujarati or not. Okay, let me know in comment box. Okay guys, let's go to learn some body movement. Okay. So here the very first sentence is stand up and walk to the door. So in Gujarati, ઊભા થાવ અને દરવાજા સુધી ચાલો. Stand up and walk to the door. In Gujarati, ઊભા થાવ અને દરવાજા સુધી ચાલો. So stand up means ઊભા થાવ. Okay. Stand up means ઊભા થાવ. Then walk to the door means દરવાજા સુધી ચાલો. Okay, stand up means ઊભા થાવ. Walk to the door means દરવાજા સુધી ચાલો. Okay. Now the very next is jump up and down means ઉપર નીચે કૂદકો મારો. Jump up means ઉપર and down means નીચે. Okay, jump up and down. So up and down means ઉપર and નીચે. Up means ઉપર, down means નીચે and jump means કૂદકો મારો. Jump up and down means ઉપર નીચે કૂદકો મારો. So here jump means કૂદકો, up means ઉપર, down means નીચે. Alright, it's very simple. Bend down નીચે વળો. Okay, down means નીચે, bend means વળો. Okay, so bend down in Gujarati નીચે વળો. Turn around and face the window. Okay, ફરી જાઓ અને બારી તરફ જોવો. So turn around means ફરી જાઓ. Face the window means બારી તરફ જોવો. Turn around means ફરી જાઓ. Face the window means બારી તરફ જોવો. બારી means window. Okay. Now let's have some quick conversation. So the very first is I like to eat Gujarati food. So it means મને ગુજરાતી ફૂડ ગમે છે. Okay, I like to eat means મને ગમે છે. What? So Gujarati food. I like to eat Gujarati food. So I like means ગમે છે. I like means ગમે છે. To eat means what? Like Gujarati food. I like to eat means food ગમે છે. And મને means I. I means મને. Like to eat means ગમે છે. મને ગુજરાતી ફૂડ ગમે છે. So I like to eat Gujarati food. I means મને ગુજરાતી food as it is. I like means ગમે છે. Okay, કોને? મને. I means to whom? To me. And I is equals મને in Gujarati. So and the very next, alternate sentence for the same sentence in Gujarati is મને ગુજરાતી ખાવાનું પસંદ છે. Here ખાવાનું means food and like means પસંદ. So there are two words you can use. ગમે છે, I like is equals ગમે છે or પસંદ છે. Okay. Very next is where are you from? તમે ક્યાંથી છો? Okay. Where are you from? In Gujarati you can say તમે ક્યાંથી છો? Okay. Where are you from means તમે ક્યાંથી છો. Where means ક્યાંથી. Okay. And you means તમે. I am from Gujarat. હું ગુજરાતથી છું. I am from Gujarat. હું, then you can add your location. ગુજરાતથી છું. Okay. Like how it's showing in below. હું ગુજરાતથી છું. Okay. થી છું means I am from. Okay. How do you feel about Gujarat? તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે? Okay. How do you feel about Gujarat? So in Gujarati you can say તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે? Okay. How do you feel? Okay. Feel means કેવું લાગે છે. How do you feel? કેવું લાગે છે about Gujarat. તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે. Okay. If you want to say how do you feel means કેવું લાગે છે, and about Gujarat તમને ગુજરાત કેવું લાગે છે. This is how you can convert this sentence into Gujarati. I love Gujarat very much. હું ગુજરાતને ખૂબ ચાહું છું. ઓકે, I means હું, very much ખૂબ, very much means ખૂબ, and I love means ચાહું છું. I love Gujarat very much. So in Gujarati હું ગુજરાતને ખૂબ ચાહું છું. Okay, liking means or love here it means ચાહું છું. So very next is people here are very friendly. So in Gujarati you can say અહીંયાના લોકો ખૂબ મિલનસાર છે. Friendly means મિલનસાર. Okay, people here are very friendly. અહીંયાના લોકો ખૂબ મિલનસાર છે. Very means ખૂબ. Okay, and people here are means અહીંયાના લોકો. ખૂબ means very and friendly means મિલનસાર. Okay, so the complete sentence will become in Gujarati is અહીંયાના લોકો ખૂબ મિલનસાર છે. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching my video. I really hope you got the actual knowledge about Gujarati. And if you feel, just like the button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Aabhar, Dhanyavad.